Hello, this is one possible solution to dropping out. So this code right here looks very simple, but there's actually a very tricky thing about this. So we see that this is once again two different levels. There's one, so if we look, so he's gonna be facing that way with the front island like this, and this other island he's facing forward with the front island like this. So it seems a bit tricky at first, and there actually is no fancy stuff here. This entire level is just about how you can apply the hard code. So you're just gonna physically hard code the level, and the tricky part is only figuring out the direction. So basically, I'm gonna try to show you with this debugging technique here. So I'm gonna put a breakpoint at line 5, which basically means to run the program but to stop and show you what you're doing in line 5. So if we look at this program so far, we see that he's going to turn right, and I'm going to show you why it's necessary in a moment. So Ed here is going to turn right to face that white portal, and remember these two white portals feed into this white portal. These two yellow entry portals face into this one, or it's green or something like that, whatever. So he's going to turn right, jump twice to go into the portal, and he's going to appear here and see where he's facing at that point. So he appears here. So we stop the program at this breakpoint. We see that he's facing toward the direction we want to go, this path over here. And if we try to redo it with this level, let's see what happens here. It's turning right. Now it's in there, and we stop it here as well. So we see that for this level, once we stopped it here, we see at this point he's facing toward the direction we want to go, which is the reason why you want to use the back two portals instead of the front two portals, is because if we restart this, if he goes to this front portal, he's going to appear out of this portal facing this way, which means we'll have to turn right, which is something extra we don't have to account for. So if we turn right at the beginning, he could face forward and always get the right path no matter what. So if we try this, let's remove the breakpoint. If we try this full level, so he turns right, jumps there, moves forward, moves up. So there's the first level. Now the second variation of this level is this one. So he moves toward that back portal and he's facing toward it again. Then he can get there with a simple hard code. So remember, the tricky thing here isn't the conditional, isn't any tricky loops or anything. It's just trying to figure out the direction we can and using the same bit of code to solve for both cases. And that is one possible solution to dropping out.